Good evening, everybody. Bob at Two Pops Operates. It is Sunday, the 7th of August. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. Randomed up our... Let me see, I forgot if it was 27 or 26. 26 remaining box and numbers. We got box number 7. We did random team sales for this on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them a chance to trade. Nothing much going down this time, though. Getting a little late in the room. Here we go, folks. Alright, guys, well, I ain't gonna feel sorry, guys. Not one damn bit. So it's either gonna be one of our placeholders or one of the cash boxes, folks. We're gonna have to see which. Alright, New Orleans going to get the freebie spots. Bam. Gonna be a Buffalo room credit, guys, but with how we've been pulling, that's about the least guilty free cash box I've ever fucking pulled. So I'm not very sorry, guys. I needed that to come out there, man. I hate to say it that way, but with how we've been pulling, I needed some kind of relief there. Well, Hank, man, Hank and them got back on track tonight, guys. They hadn't hit squat this series, hardly hit anything. As a matter of fact, the only things they have hit up until tonight is a cash box. Just hit another one there, though. Seems like those guys finally getting back on track. New Orleans getting our freebie. Pete gonna get the freebie, folks. That is gonna wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bob at Two Pops Breaks.